क्रूशल। क्रूशल का मतलब है महत्वपूर्ण, अत्यावश्यक, ज़रूरी, अहम। The meaning of crucial is extremely important or necessary because it will affect other things. This word crucial is an adjective. ये word crucial एक adjective है. I'm making example sentences with crucial. मैं crucial को लेकर sentences बना रहा हूँ. His decision is crucial. This means his decision is extremely important. His decision is crucial. इसका मतलब है उसका फैसला महत्वपूर्ण है, अहम है. Next sentence. They gave some crucial information. This means they gave some extremely important information. They gave some crucial information. इसका मतलब है वे लोग कुछ अहम, महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी दिए. Next sentence. Water is crucial for us. This means water is important, essential for us. Water is crucial for us. इसका मतलब है पानी हमारे लिए अहम या ज़रूरी है. Now I am saying synonyms of crucial. मैं crucial के synonyms बोल रहा हूँ. Decisive, essential, indispensable, paramount, pivotal, significant, vital. And its antonyms are inconsequential, insignificant, trivial, unimportant. You make one sentence with crucial and write in the comment section. आप एक sentence बनाओ crucial को लेकर और comment section में लिखो. That's all about it.